This video will show how to export situations to an archive you can share with others, who can then import the situations for their post-processing purposes. Situations are an important feature of Ceetron Analyzer. If you have not yet done so, we suggest you view the first video on the subject to get a better understanding of what situations are and how to produce and use them. Situations appear in the feature tree under the Situations item, and then in a folder named like the source model used to create them. If you right-click on one of these model folders, you will see the export and import options. Choosing to export the model situation opens a dialog in which you can cherry-pick the situations that will be stored in the archive. Select those of interest, click Export, and choose the archive file before pressing Save. The post-processing situations can now be shared with other users. To illustrate the import of situations from a shared archive, we first delete them from this workspace. We then reopen the model, mimicking a different user. To import the shared situations, select the option by right-clicking on the Situations feature tree item and selecting the appropriate option. Find your preferred situation archive file and click Open. The situations are added in the feature tree, and the new user has instant access to them for a more efficient working session.